at Haji Lane, Singapore's hipster hotspot with its beautiful architecture and quirky shops. Here we are at ASEAN Cold Drink Store, a cafe situated at the heart of Haji Lane offering a variety of Singapore-inspired food and beverages. Let's go in for a treat. Here's what we have today. From the fresh cocktail menu, we have the Pandan Singapore Sling, a fruity minty cocktail infused with our fresh local ingredient, pandan. And looking here for the food, we have our shrimp paste chicken and our ramly burger, which are their signature dishes. So let's dig in. Cheers, guys! Cheers! Tired of walking around and wanting some good food? Welcome aboard Sushi Airways and be greeted at the unique interior, delicious Japanese food, and absolutely no turbulence. Let's go! So that's all we have today for Haji Lane. Stay tuned for our final episode of Rediscovering Movies.